Look how we made it, nigga. Amazing liquor mixed with Asian dinners. Famous spitters. Remember, the losers always gon' blame the winners. Heinous sinners. Working for nothing made you bitter. Look, the boss will never pay you enough to be his neighbor, nigga. Same agenda. That brother soft. What's his name and gender? Lame and tender. Insane offender. Injure your main contender. Scared for nothing. Some niggas really never shared nothing. Here, cousin. Bags on the scale. Just hit the tear button. Tears coming. Heard niggas heads on the tears button. Tear something. Buck 50 a nigga. That's ear to ear cutting. Air something. Shoot up the venue. Got all your peers ducking. Fear nothing. Bitch ass niggas got all these queers blushing. I smell your fear throughout the hemisphere. I pillage your village. Save all the women and children. Make sure no men is spared. That stench is weird. Them bullets sent you there. We all live in this hell. So don't you get this shit twisted. Cause we got central air. Everybody's depressed and needed some mental care. But never been in prison when someone you love sent you there. Facts. Yeah. God bless the brave stranger. Displayed anger, buried you 6 feet and you still in grave danger.
My hood a max prison with crack pitching and a gas spitting. Whole family living off of black women. This a fact, you spack fishing. I sit back, relax, twisting. If it ain't a V12, my niggas laugh at that engine. Used to microwave an eighth, but now I like to play it safe. My lordy eat with a razor like he writing on your face. Praying, shedding tears. My mama's heaven near. Old flicks of the click, and them niggas never there. Fleeing, ran, tapping in. See fam have to win. We the grand champions in a van packed with gyms. All this guest starring, pull up in the best form. With a childhood friend that's dodging all my fat warrants. Lord Marfleet, I'm enjoying the works. I blow the sour in the sky for all my lords in the dirt. Yo, I blow the sour in the air for all my lords in the dirt.
I put my plight in the pen, jotted on the page, and I made paper. Used to pump poison in the project, selling death to nature. Now on my projects, poison. Streetz done got his name up. Still as fuck the police, Trump in the legislature. Still live by the code, I listen, and no talking less is major. Not signing majors, this all independent. Still in cahoots with wild youths that's out trying to rob your ring and pendant. Want it all now, cause in the streets it ain't no pension. More concerned with the cash app than the fucking Twitter mention. Gotta think for semi-automatic gats with clip extensions. This is razor blade rap spitting with a vengeance. My life behind these bars, care less how you judge the sentence. Blowing weed to the sky, that's a thug's repentance. Blood on the hunters and dubs that I stuff in my dinner.
Autistic, dumb smart, God gifted from jumpstart. Y'all missed it. Ask old dog with the young heart. Still a menace to in defense to feel offended. If I ever had to offer my hand, you will attend it. If so, the foot soldier helped the regiment grow with no handouts. Earned a slot the veterans owe. A New York minute, you only get a second to blow. We on different time, direct them to the heavens below. His fear of losing is greater than the excitement of winning. Vices is binging, spent his whole life in his prison. No room to brag, who's his dad? I can assist him, or you can spank him. Pick poison, why is this religion? Yeah, I won't talk to you how your bitches did, but I only respect the man who made initiatives. It won't get out of hand if it did, cause my shooters don't dance and they don't be in the
kiss the dawn feed, send him to kill him. Who said they talk shit? You sure-minded niggas make music to give me long sleep. I wrote this on my off week, yo. I sell word but staying sharp, cause in silence I'm spitting shit to my heartbeat. Cloths language through these corners where shit be dangerous. At 25 years old and bodies make niggas famous. The industry too lame, fuck who you grew with. You thirst the group pick, male groupies, I should give y'all a group name. The smack here, I directed them, not the cut it. The Craven next 3-in-1 shit. The shooters love it, fuck it. I got purposeful goals, so from the fiends I must stash what I make and do it under your nose. Hit your mustache with it, blood drenching his clothes. You got fears of being you, I ain't living with those. Too many frauds flash cash, but they never make it last, cause they go with their closet having more in it than they stash. Stupid. It's real stupid. Fuck out of here.